What's up, everybody? I'm JJ Fix-It, but you can call me Roger, and no, I don't do cocaine.
I'm Rick James.
So this is my new printer that I got 5 years ago, and I'm gonna show you how to fix it because unfortunately, it's having some technical difficulties. It's not a Nintendo cartridge, so you can't blow it.
I'm Rick James.
But you can just give it a little fritza, you know, a little, and it works perfect. Well, in the case that it does not work, do not resort to cocaine.
I'm just getting started.
It is very simple what you gotta do. First, let me grab my tools. Hammer. Lots of coke. And a little royalty-free music so YouTube does not demonetize this video. And now that you got your tools, it is time not to do cocaine, but to fix the printer.
I'm Rick James.
What's up, everybody? JJ Fix-It, a.k.a. the Golden Turd, also known as Roger here. Someone please tell my probation officer, no, I am not on cocaine.
Man, I was banging 7-gram rocks and finishing them because that's how I roll. I have one speed, I have one gear. Go.
So let me tell you, it's really easy to fix a broken printer. You know, I know it's a pain in the ass if it doesn't just fix itself. So real quick, all you gotta do is give it a little backhand action, and it usually works. Usually. But in the case it doesn't, all you gotta do is bring out a little hammer and then just hammer it until it's good to go.
Winning.
And if the hammering method still does not work, then you gotta do some more extreme methods. Coke and smash. Y'all ready? Let's do it. This video is brought to you by the film Money Game. Money Game is currently streaming for free on Tubi. A link to the film is in the description. Go check it out. Hello again, JJ Fix-It, a.k.a. the Golden Turd, a.k.a. the short, premature, dyslexic mambo, back at ya. And unfortunately, sometimes the cocaine-free Coke method does not always work.
The run I was on made Sinatra, Flynn, Jagger, Richards, all of them just look like, you know, droopy-eyed, armless children.
Shame. There's really only one thing left you can do. Get back down to action.
I'm proud of what I've created. It was radical.
And all you gotta do is give it a little bit more of a firm wake up. Wake up. Fix yourself.
Shut up. Shut up. Stop. Move forward.
And if that still does not work, well, I guess you gotta call the insurance.
What's that got to do with me?
Hi, it's Roger. I just wanted to call because my HP printer that I recently bought 5 years ago just recently stopped working, and I'm not sure what I'm supposed to... Just reset it? Oh. Yeah, I don't think I can at this point. Are you able to get me a new one? Check!
I'm by winning.